Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a stunning, fully functional React web app completely for free with zero coding skills required. Usually, learning React takes months of practice and hiring a developer costs a fortune. But today, we are bypassing all of that. We are using Google AI Studio. Just search for it in your browser and click the first link. Once you're in the playground, look at the left menu and click on Build. There is no complex server setup and no installing packages on your computer. Let's get right into it. Before we start typing, we need to set up our workspace to get the best results. Go to the top right and click the settings icon. Change the model to the latest Gemini 3.1 Pro preview. This is Google's most advanced model for coding. Next, open System Instructions. This step is crucial. This is where we tell the AI exactly how to behave so it does not get confused. I told it to act as an expert front-end developer and strictly use React with clean styling. Leave the framework drop-down set to React. Now we are fully ready to build. In the prompt box, I asked for a lo-fi Pomodoro dashboard. I wanted a glass morphism aesthetic, meaning those beautiful frosted glass panels over a blurred background. I also asked for a working 25-minute timer and a functional task checklist. Hit Generate. The AI gives us 5 unique design options to choose from. Let's select Artistic Flair. And look at this. On the left, you can actually see the AI writing all the complex React logic, and on the right, our app is coming to life in real time. Let's test it out. The timer works perfectly, but there's a small problem. The daily goal progress at the bottom is hard-coded. It says 0 out of 4, but it does not update when I finish a task. And here's the absolute best part about AI coding. You do not need to read the code to fix it. Just tell the AI what's wrong, exactly like you're talking to a human developer. I typed a quick follow-up prompt asking it to make the goal progress dynamic so it tracks completed tasks versus total tasks and updates automatically if I delete something. Hit send. The AI instantly jumps back in and rewrites the code. Let's test it again. I'll add a few tasks, strike them out and delete one. Perfect. The progress text and the visual bar update flawlessly. You can even preview how it looks on a phone or tablet right here on the screen to make sure it's mobile friendly. Now, having it in the studio is great, but let's put it on the actual internet. Click the publish button in the top right, hit publish your app. In just a minute, Google hosts it for you and gives you a live URL. Paste that in your browser and your app is officially live on the web for anyone to use. If you want to take it a step further and own the raw files, just head back, click the code tab and hit download. You get the entire React codebase in a zip file. You can upload it to GitHub, send it to a friend or host it anywhere. All yours, all completely free. You just built, debugged and hosted a professional React app without writing a single line of code. If this was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment telling me what app you are going to build first. See you in the next one.